How to compress large PDF files into smaller. First, let us select the PDF file which we need to compress. So here are some of our PDF downloads. Out of this, I'm going to select the larger one. Let's check this file. Let's check the details. Yeah, it is 16.56 MB. We'll choose this file. Now we need to open our web browser. Type in here, I love PDF. Now select the first one, ilovepdf.com. Here we have numerous options. We need to select Compress PDF. Now click Select PDF File. Then click Files. We are going into our storage. Let's select the file we have, choose to compress. Click Compress PDF. Our file is uploading. It will take a little bit of time. Now uploaded. The compressing process is happening. Okay, the process is finished. Look at here. Your PDF are now 94% smaller. That means the 16.56 MB file is now only 1.16 MB.